Hi guys, I'm back with another news, episode 4. And today will be about motocross. If I'm a bit louder, that's good. Yeah. It'll be about motocross. Some people might not be interested. If you're not, watch my life motocross, because I've got a motorbike myself and stuff. Yeah, sorry if I keep getting a light from my iPad side. Yeah, if you look at my profile picture on YouTube, that's me riding my motorbike, so yeah. So, into the news. Jeffrey Hurlin, as like motocross fans all know, is the best sand rider in the world. And yeah, and Brad Anderson, I was having a private training session with him. No, my bike blew off, but he said he's moving to Honda. He's gone back to Honda again. So yeah, that'll be quite cool. Like seeing Brad on Honda. Caroli, I think he's staying at KTM. Antonio Caroli. Hurlins is staying. Strybos and Clement Desau, they've been in the Lucas Oil quite a few times, and like, yeah. And in the Lucas Oil, there's this Lucas Oil MA Pro Motocross, there's this person called Cooper Webb. He's quite good. It's either Cooper Webb or Cooper Webb. Yeah, he's quite good. And sorry if it's shaking. I'm shaking my leg because I'm quite nervous. Yeah. So yeah, it is like it's been a good season for motocross really, because like Cooper Webb's coming in, all new rookies and stuff. And I've just been watching it there on my TV, and Cooper Webb actually came third behind. Was it? I think it was Thomas and Roxon. I'm not sure to be honest. And guess who else is coming back? Oh, he came second in this week. Ivan Tedesco, he's come back, he's done quite well. Yeah, so it's been a really good series for motocross. I know these videos are quite short, but accept it guys. I'm doing videos for you about news. Yeah, and also at the weekend my friend fell off and broke both his fins, and he's having an operation today, with tomorrow morning. Yeah, so in comments could you send him his best wishes. So yeah, I know these videos are quite short as I said, but I hope you enjoy them anyway. I love you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'm also making a Facebook page, like What You From Life. I'm gonna see if on YouTube how to do it. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe.